your boy Nature, aka Nature. Alright gang, so we back for another video. And this video is going to be a quick video just going over, your broker, my broker, that you can get. There's other brokers out there, but this is the broker that I use, Hugosway.com. So, this is Hugosway.com. If you want to sign up for Hugosway.com, Hugo FX True ENC broker. You can trade forex, cryptos, and stocks with up to 500 leverage with a true ENC broker. Okay, so you can trade all the way up from 1 to 500,000. Not the highest, is 500,000 that you can trade as far as leverage with a true ENC broker. Okay, so this how you open up your live account. If you want to open up a live account, you just open up the live account, put your name in, last name, email, password. Okay, agree to all the terms and conditions, and you just open up a live account. Okay, so the minimum for Hugosway is $10 minimum deposit. Okay, we'll get you with Hugosway. Okay, with the 1 to 500 leverage. Okay, the minimum lot size will be 0.01. That's the smallest lot size you can get with any any pair or any currency, any crypto, any stocks. Is 0.01. That's the minimum lot size. Okay, there are 55 currencies as far as forex, and in Hugosway, there are 55 currencies that you can trade. There's 64 stocks that you can trade, and there's 33 cryptos that you can also trade. Okay, so you can trade different cryptos. There's 33 of them as far as Bitcoin, Dogecoin. That's like crypto. Okay, they got stocks, and they got 55 different currencies you can also trade. GPUSD, all the major pairs, as far as FX major pairs, it will be Aussie USD, Euro USD, GPUSD, GPY. So the major pairs will be like the USDs. So you can trade USD CAD. You got USD France, USD the yen, Japanese yen, USD New Zealand, the dollar, and /USD. Okay, so they have all these pairs. You can see the spread. You can see the bid price. You can see the ask price. You can see the spreads. For Aussie, the spread is really low as far as Aussie. Euro USD spreads is pretty low. GPUSD spreads is pretty low, 1.2, 0.6 for Euro USD, 1.2, 1.10. This is live, I guess. This is live spreads. So this is the spreads. The spreads are pretty cheap as far as the majors are concerned. When it goes to cryptos, this is why I'm saying you guys are getting stopped out messing with Bitcoin. You can see the spread from FX crosses to where Aussie is 0.8, 2.4. Okay, that's the crosses. Sorry. As far as the majors, you can see this is why I only trade major pairs. I recommend if you're new to trading forex that you only trade regular FX, forex pairs, majors, which is the majors. Because the spreads are small. They're not that big of a spread. When you start trading cryptos, you can see Bitcoin spread it's a spread of 72.33 each spread. Okay, it doesn't matter about the bid or the ask price. Okay, the bid price will be the sell, where you bid at, where you sell at, and the ask price will be where you buy at. Okay, but it doesn't matter. Okay, as you can see, the spreads for all the cryptos, even Bitcoin, the spread is 72.33. Even though if that spread goes up $72.36, 36, a spread. That's a lot of money, but you shouldn't start off. It's not recommended. That's too big of a spread compared to the regular forex currency spreads, which is 1.2, 0.7 for Euro, GPUSD 1.4. So it's better to stick to the regular pairs. This is why you're getting stopped out, because your spreads is just too big. You don't have that much capital in your account. You're probably trading a standard lot size of 1 to 100 or 1 to 500, and you can't hold that with only $50 or $100, and you're trying to trade Bitcoin with that money or $500. So this is another reason why, people are getting, stopped out. So they got even cryptos, FX current crosses. The FX crosses, they move pretty good. All the JPUSD. I don't really, we just trade FX majors. I'm just showing you, the other stocks and commodities that they have. These, commodities as far as like gold. Even gold compared to gold XXU/USD. I like to trade gold. Even their spreads are pretty big, 0.32, as you can see. You have XXG/USD, that's silver. Okay, you can trade silver. That spread's pretty big too. Okay, as far as the commodities, as far as gold and stuff, the spreads are pretty big for gold. Okay, and it's constantly fluctuating. You can see how the spread was at 0.33. Now it's at, it just keeps constantly, just changing. The bid and the ask price is constantly changing too. So, with the majors, you don't have to really worry about that. Even though the bid and ask price moves, if the spread, and it doesn't move, the spread's not that bad, as far as, cryptos and commodities, are and stocks are, these are stocks right here. Even the stock spreads are still bigger, way, larger than the FX major pairs. So out of all these, like, the spreads, the major pairs, the regular currency pairs, their spreads are the tightest, okay, compared to all the other commodities and cryptos, gold, commodity, even, from the spread 1.2 to, 0.29, that's still a big spread, that's still a big spread. So, you just want to pay attention to that. Especially do not trade cryptos right off the bat, especially Bitcoin. Look at that spread, 72, 74. It's just too much right now. You should build your count up, and stick to, just trading, building up your capital, building up your trading your money as far as your funds, building up your capital prior to like 10K, or 5K, or, before you just decide to trade Bitcoins. And, you should only trade 0.01, the most minimum lot size for like Bitcoin and stuff starting off. But I just wanted to show y'all that. I wanted to show y'all the bids and the ask prices, of the FX majors. This is all on Hugosway.com. You can go on Hugosway.com right now and look at the spreads for the cryptos and for the commodities. Trades with the true SP brokers. So Hugosway offers a new level of trading. It's able to offer market-leading pricing and trading conditions through the Metatrader4 platform by providing clients with a true ENC connectivity. So for the trade, with the broker, the minimum deposit would be $50. Okay, the minimum deposit is $50. Okay, the minimum lot size that you can use is 0.01. That's the minimum lot size. You need the most you could put in. I'm gonna show you that. The minimum lot size. The minimum deposit is $50. I'm going to show y'all that. We're going to be using Cash App. I don't use Instacoin no more. I use Cash App now. So yeah, the minimum lot size is 0.01, then 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05. You got 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents. So this is 1 cent right here with 0.01. Minimum lot size you can trade is 1 cent per trade. Then you have your stocks. There's 64 stocks. Okay, the most you can leverage, which I don't recommend that you leverage 1 to 500 leverage with only, $20 or no, $50 is the minimum deposit. But with $50 or $100 or $200, I will go to a smaller leverage, maybe a mini account size, or a standard lot size, still big, 1 to 100 leverage. That's a standard lot size. They allow you to trade, $100,000 from 1 to 100. Leverage is a 1 to 1,000. 1,000 to 100,000. You have a $1,000. The leverage you can get off of that is $100,000. But they even allow you to, like, you can even over leverage. So $500, $200, you can trade 1 to 100, okay, or 1 to 500, $500,000 in your leverage, and it's going to blow your account because you can't manage $500,000 or $100,000, even a standard lot size, which is it says $100,000. That's too much, and you're over leveraging, you're over risking, you're not sticking to just trading 2% of your trade. So you're trading, you're risking 10% or maybe 50%. 85% of your trade, and you're getting stopped out and you wonder why. It's just you can't trade that much leverage. They're not going to allow you to hold that trade for too long with that much leverage, and you only have $500 or $50 in your account. So the most biggest thing like in forex is to make money you have to make money you have to have money. So the biggest thing that you first need to do is have your capital and your money right at least $1,000. 500 can get it done. It's when you want to like you really start knowing what you're doing, and you can trade like point fives and point fours and point tens, and makes a lot of money off of that. Starting off, before you start getting comfortable with it. Remember, trade a demo account, and just get used to it. Get used to trading currencies. I would stick to the currency pairs. I wouldn't stick to cryptos or stocks right away. But that's just me. Metatrader4 Trading. Metatrader4 is the trading platform that we use. Okay, so you just go in your app, and you just if you're on Google or if you're on Apple, when you're on Android, you just go to your app, and you just type in Metatrader4 MT4, and it will pop up. So this is Metatrader4 Trading. Hugosway provides superior trading conditions, backing it with award-winning Metatrader4 platform. This is undoubtedly the world's most popular platform for CFD traders. Okay, so simplifying automatic, manual, and social trading. This allows traders to focus on trading and allows Hugo to take care of the rest. So you can trade cryptocurrencies. Hugosway offers a wide variety of instruments, including 24/7 trading on 35 cryptocurrency pairs with a leverage of up to 1 to 100, 100,000. Starting trading with $50, and to trade in cryptocurrency from 1 to 100,000 as far as your leverage. It's light and fast execution. The market is very fast when it comes to cryptocurrencies. They say it's tight spreads, but you can see Bitcoin wasn't a tight spread at all. Experts, advisors allowed, and low commissions, as far as like $50. You can read more about it. So they also have segregating client funds. Clients can choose to hold deposit funds in their name or on Hugosway, and hold their funds on their behalf in an independent bank account. Okay, so even in an independent bank account with Hugosway, they can hold your funds, or you can just hold on to your funds yourself. So risk management, we just ran over risk management. Risk management is so important. It's risk only 2% of your trade per trade. Hugosway regulates your pinpoints, analyzes and monitors, and regulates each type of risk connection with its day-to-day operations. Tier 1 banking, Hugosway works closely with its payment service providers to ensure fast and flawless deposits and withdrawals. Okay, so you can create your live account today, sign up and start trading on one of the world's most transparent brokers. Trade your favorite FX, forex, currencies, and crypto pairs on the Metatrader4 platform, backed by true ENC connectivity. So you can create a live account. You can also talk to Hugo. Once you create your live account, you can talk to Hugo, and you can ask Hugo. They have an open chat. Hugo has an open chat at any time from 24/7. Just click the live chat button on the bottom of the right. So and you can just talk to them, and you can ask them any questions. It's a live chat, and they're very good with responding back pretty fast. The wait's not that long, probably like a minute or two. Hugosway network status, two-factor authentication. If you want to have a two-factor authentication as far as your security, you can have two securities, two factors of security on there. You can do that. You can contact them, request a callback. They're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So Metatrader4 Trading. Metatrader4 Trading is the platform. It's developed. You can download it on Windows, Apples and Androids. Web traders, also on the web. But the closures, risk disclosures. They have terms, conditions, cookie policies, quick links to open up a Hugo account. That's a quick link. You click the link, open up a Hugo account. They also have a demo sign up. You can sign up also with Hugosway with their demo account. I have a demo account signed up with Hugosway too. So you can do that too, and you just go into your Metatrader4 app, and you just you sign in through the demo. They give you a password, and through your email, and they give you a live account. I mean a demo account number to type in, which and you just push your password in. Same thing with the live account. They give you a number, and you just push your password in, so you can incorporate account signups, corporate account signups, live spreads, trading assets, funding methods, withdrawal methods. They have all types of withdrawal methods and deposit methods. You can deposit with Cash App, is way faster, and withdraw with Cash App, and we're going to be doing that too. I'm going to be showing y'all that. Also, how to just deposit and withdraw money from Cash App, and it goes right back in your Cash App account. Say you made like 200, 300 today, that'd be back in your Cash App by the end of today, and you just had that back in your. It's very fast, light and fast. ENC brokers, FAQ insights, affiliation programs. You can get affiliation programs with Hugo FX affiliation program. Become affiliated. You can affiliated logins, affiliation contract forms, and affiliation programs, the TAC. So they have all these different affiliation programs. If you wanted to get affiliated with Hugosway, this is about us. They're about us and their client funds, and just their address. So, and they also, support bank transfers, Bitcoin. You can we use Bitcoin through Cash App, and then we use Bitcoin through Cash App, and then we send it to our Hugosway account. So they allow us to do that through Bitcoin. You can also do it through bank transfer. You can push your money. You can get money, withdraw and deposit through your bank. Visa. They take cards and MasterCards, credit cards. They also take credit cards. So it's updated every year. So this is a 2021 Hugosway website. It gets updated every year. But that's basically it. This is my broker. Hugosway.com. So you can sign up. With this broker, and the minimum is lot size is 0.01. And the minimum deposit is $50. Okay, so and I'll teach you guys how to send your money through Bitcoin, through Cash App. If you don't know how to do it by now, I'll teach you in my next video. Put some money in there. I think I'm gonna put some money in there today, and I'll do the video today. I don't know, maybe tomorrow. Put a couple dollars in there, and just show you how you can buy Bitcoin through Cash App, and how you can send that through your Hugosway account, and you can transfer that into your Metatrader4 account, your Metatrader4 app, and then you can trade with that that Bitcoin, that money, and you can trade currencies. And then once you make your money, I'm gonna have another video, a withdrawal video, where I withdraw the money out, and how fast it goes back into your Cash App. And with Cash App, when you buy Bitcoin, you send it to Hugosway, it'll be in your account, on your Hugosway account, in less like 2 hours, 1 hour. It's pretty fast compared to if you was going through your bank, or you was going through like Instacoin. I know I made a video where you can go through Instacoin. You can still go through Instacoin. Instacoin is still good, but Cash App's faster. All right, but yeah, gang. Just wanted to show y'all my broker, what I use. My broker, when I trade, I use Hugosway. Hugosway.com. So open up a live account. If you haven't, or open up a demo account first, and then once you feel comfortable, open up a live account, and start making money in this market. So I hope these videos help. It's your boy Nature, aka Nature.